guys, welcome to another CBD video. Today we're looking at TheGoods disposable vape pens again, but today we're looking at their forbidden fruit terp profile. These pens are coming in at 45% CBD and they're saying that this profile is floral, fruity and cedar, as you can see here. So we've got some information on the box. If you guys want to pause and read any of that information, you can do so. You've got batch numbers and expiry dates on this box as well, and they're saying that this is a chill terp profile. So we're going to bust this box open and do a little unboxing. And this is TheGoods new Forbidden Fruits disposable vape pen, coming in at 45% CBD, and again, floral, fruity and cedar is what they're saying this terp profile is, which is a chill, relaxing blend. So again, the packaging for these disposable vape pens is always amazing. Really high quality, clean, professional packaging. And you just know that you can trust the products inside when the packaging is really good. And as you can see, it doesn't just come in a box, it also comes in its own sleeve. So you know these products are high quality, and you also know that they're super clean. And now that the unboxing is done, we have our Forbidden Fruit vape pen from TheGoods. You guys have seen my videos on these before. I love how discreet these are and small and easy to use they are. These are disposable, so once you've used the oil inside of this, you throw it away. I've actually been testing these pens for a few weeks now, and I've got to say, this is probably my favourite terpene profile. The straw nana comes close, it's got that creamy sweetness to it, but this one is probably my favourite. I've got their Forbidden Fruits extract actually that they sent me out to try. This stuff smells unreal, but they've managed to put it in a vape pen too. So let's take a hit of these Forbidden Fruit vape pens and tell you what the production is like and also what this terp profile is like. Three nice draws. Produces a nice cloud of vapor, and it is so similar to this Forbidden Fruits extract. I'm getting like a sour, dark fruits taste to this one. I'm definitely getting that apple taste coming through, more of like a berry taste coming through, more of like the dark fruits when it comes to this terpene profile. The straw nana is more of like a creamy sweetness. This one is more of like a sour fruit taste. You can taste that distillate coming through. It's not super strong, but it's definitely coming through. Let's try and take a nice big hit. Yeah, when you take those big hits, the terps start to drop a little bit, but getting no big throat hit off this. When you take those big hits, whether I'm taking nice little subtle hits or taking those big cloudy hits, I don't really feel it on my throat at all. And talking about feeling it on my throat, let's see if we can get a little blinker going to really push some clouds out. Ooh. Wow. Wow. That was a wow. I really got like that distillate taste coming through there. But surprisingly, even with a hit like that, I didn't really get any coil burn. So taking a big hit like that, you would be ripping a lot of oil from that coil. But I got good flavour even after a long hit like that. Wow, that is special. Wow. I've been using this pen before work actually for the last few weeks. I've been waking up, getting into work, taking a couple of hits before I start my day. And this has done an amazing job of just setting me up right for the day. Some days I'll wake up if I've had a heavy session the night before, feeling really cloudy headed, not really wondering where my thoughts are going, and hitting this at the start of the morning, it does such a good job of just clearing my head and putting me in the right mindset to start the day. But I've got to say, that's what these are good for. They sit in your backpack, they sit in your pocket, they sit in your drawer, they sit on the side of your desk, and they're always ready to use. There's no messing around with changing carts out or charging batteries. They're always just ready. And I think that's what I love most about these little disposable vape pens. Yeah, you have to chuck them away at the end, but they're perfect for just chucking in your pocket if you want to go for a walk. I especially use these for taking out on dog walks. I don't have to worry about battery at all or anything really running out. I just grab this, take it with me, and I've got my CBD for that time. And although I wouldn't say these absolutely wipe you out, they do a great job of clearing your head, putting you in a really good mindset, wiping away all those aches and pains that you get throughout the day, especially if you've had a bad night's sleep. That's where these have been helping me. Waking up feeling really groggy, you've got to go to work, taking a couple of hits on this really clears the brain. Oh, I can see why they call this one forbidden fruit as well, because if this was hanging from a tree and I knew that that fruit tasted like this, I'd grab it too. Let's get into what I think about this forbidden fruit vape pen from TheGoods. And we're going to start off with the looks, and we'll just talk about the product itself. It looks great, easy to use, super sleek. You can just throw this in your pocket. It doesn't really look like it's got any sort of CBD oil in it or the word CBD attached to it. You could put this in your pocket, you could put it in your backpack, your handbag, and no one would really know what it was. But you definitely get a nice taste of that distillate in the background as well. I think this has made its way to the top when it comes to these disposable pens for me. Do I think this is a day or a nighttime pen? And I'm going to say TheGoods always do a good job of making products that you can use all throughout the day and not worry about getting absolutely wrecked out of your mind. I think you can use these all day if you just want that nice relaxation throughout the day, or even when you come home from work. That's where these fit in. These are an all-day pen. And now let's get to the effects, and we're kind of going to go off what I just said then. TheGoods products aren't ones that are going to completely knock you out. They're really good for clearing your head, helping with pain relief, really putting you in a good mindset, and these pens are no different. I've been using these in the morning, I've been using them out on dog walks, I've been using them in the evening, settling down for bed. And they're really good at just getting rid of those thoughts that you've got, any sort of little bits of anxiety that you might have, if you've had a tough day at work and you've got all those aches and pains that you want to get rid of. These are really good for that. But one of the main effects that I love about these pens, and I'm going to say it again, I said it in the last video, these pens are amazing for saving you when you get a little too stoned. There's definitely been a few times over the past couple of months where I've gone way too far, and these have absolutely saved me. Even this pen, I've been streaming recently, getting super high on stream, and using one of these just brings you down a peg, and not having to worry about charging it, not having to worry about changing carts out or anything. It's there, it's ready to use, and that's what you want when you're super baked. Something to just quickly grab and bring you down a few notches. And I know I said this in the other videos, but I've got to say it again, that these pens are disposable. So once the oil is gone from this pen, you have to throw it away, which I do have an issue with. We're already throwing too much stuff into landfill, and the fact that this only has 0.5 mil of oil in it means that you're going to be throwing this into landfill a lot quicker. So I do wish that TheGoods could figure out some sort of way to put more oil into these, or just make them last a bit longer so you're not throwing them away as quick. But I think that's the whole point of this pen. They're there in an emergency, they're there when you need them straight away. You don't have to clean them, you don't have to charge them, they're just there and they're ready to use. But one of the bad points to that is that you've got to chuck it away at the end. But that is taking nothing away from this terpene profile. I absolutely love this forbidden fruits terp profile. This pen hits lovely. I love having it in my pocket on a dog walk. I've been loving having it in my backpack before work to kind of just take all that fogginess away. Aches and pains, anxieties, racing thoughts. These pens fit lovely. And if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to leave a thumbs up. Put some comments in the comment section, hit that subscribe button, and I'll speak to you guys later.